So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Johnson & Johnson stock, ticker symbol JNJ in Canada, here on the Wealthsimple mobile application. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, go to the bottom, press on the magnifying glass here. Then once you open up the Discover tab, go to the top and press on Search. We're going to go ahead and type in ticker symbol JNJ. For Johnson & Johnson, simply just press on that option right there. Now to purchase a share, go to the bottom and press on buy. Press on where it says stocks right here. Then type in however you want, however much money you want to invest into a fractional buy, or if you want to change it into a market buy, a limit buy, a stop limit buy, a recurring buy, whatever you want. These are your options right here. But just for this demonstration, we're just going to go ahead and press on 2 right here. Keep in mind as well, this is $2 US, $2 American, so there will be a conversion to Canadian once that is done. So press on continue once you have the amount that you want. Now to confirm your purchase, go to the bottom and press on confirm order. So as you can tell, the cost of this is $2 USD, but the estimated cost is $2.72 Canadian because of the conversion. So that is how you guys can buy Johnson & Johnson stock, ticker symbol JNJ in Canada. I hope this video helped.